Woo-hoo! I like my steak well done. Fernando, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Steak Month for sending us these SRF Wagyu Tomahawk Gold Grade steak. Check this out, guys. This is really huge. So we're gonna go downstairs. I have my Steak Month apron right here. We're gonna cook these and come back upstairs to taste it, guys. Samahan niyo po ako. Tara! We are back dito sa ating vlogging room and we are also back with our cooked tomahawk steak. Just as disclaimer, guys, not an expert in cooking steak. That was actually my first time ever na makapagluto ng steak dito sa bahay. Yeah, that was a great experience. Some like it medium rare, so I have it like a little bit well done, although there's still a strip of parang, you know, pinkish meat dun sa steak natin, but nonetheless, grabe, that was a great experience. If you want to experience it as well sa bahay, make sure to check out Steak Month. They do also have Wagyu strip loin and cubes. Anyway, so if you do check their fan page, they are selling the variants of quality meat, quality produced meat. So these are actually imported, no? So I have my wine right here. I also have a hot sauce on my left. So let's taste it first without, you know, any other add-ons. Okay. Wow. So ang nilagay ko lang dito, guys, is just salt and pepper. I just rub it with, and then dun sa pan-seared natin, I put rosemary and thyme plus loads of butter. That's as plain as simple as that, and the result is actually surprising. I'm satisfied with my cooking today. So, and yeah, earlier when we were just, you know, slicing it, it was so tender. So all in all, I am really satisfied with the way I cooked for today. But none of that would be possible without our steak for today. So once again, we would like to thank Steak Month for sending us your gold grade tomahawk. Today is a special day with my family. It's my daughter's birthday, so what a great way to enjoy the rest of the day with our steak for today. So once again, thank you so much, Steak Month. For those of you guys who like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends, share it with your family if you wanna, you know, enjoy some steak sa bahay nyo with, of course, a DIY or cook it yourself. This is gonna be a great time spending with your family. So go ahead and check out Steak Month official fan page. It's gonna be flashing on your screens. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Till our next discovery, I'm gonna share this with my family downstairs. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.